Have you ever wondered what your name means? What can your name teach you about yourself? More than you already know. Does your name hold information, such as your purpose in life? The Holy Arizal teaches that when parents name their child, they get a glimpse of prophecy, and the name is whispered in their ear. Our name is the essence of the soul. The word soul in Hebrew is pronounced neshama. In the middle part of the word neshama, you can find the letters Shem, which means a name. Our name holds in it all the information about our soul, our personality, our characteristics, and most important, our purpose in life. I want to invite you to these amazing events where I will be teaching and revealing the core information about our name. The information about your name that you need to know that will help guide you in your life, add purpose in your life, and enrich your connection to your soul and to God. Come and join me in one of these events that I can promise you will change your life.